Hello everyone, today we have a headphone of boAt with us which has a dual purpose. I'll tell you what are these purposes, but first let me tell you what product is it. So it is boAt Rockerz 450 and I am very excited about it and I'll tell you why. But let us know it first. It has captivative sound with 40mm drivers, adaptive ear cuffs and headband, enhanced connectivity with Bluetooth 5.0, up to 15 hours of playback, seamless integrated controls and voice assistant. In this video, we are going to talk about these features in detail, but first thing first, let's unbox it. This is Rockerz 450 and these are all the accessories that we get along with it. This is the micro USB cable to charge the headphone. This is the aux cable and this is where that dual purpose comes in. We'll talk about it, but first let's see what else do we have. This one is a sticker by boAt. This is your warranty card, a catalog by boAt, and this one is the user manual. Now let us take the product out and talk about it. I really like the design. It has matte finish which is making it look like a premium product. This headphone is very lightweight. The cushioning and padding of the ear cups is good, which will make it pretty comfortable over your ears. And it is adjustable and foldable too. It has integrated controls. Using these, you can adjust the volume, manage your calls, change your tracks, and you can even use your voice assistant. One thing that I really like about this headphone is that it has 40mm drivers and boAt signature sound that will give you an immersive audio experience. The battery life is pretty good. It offers a playback time of up to 15 hours and in about 2 hours it gets charged to 100%. This headphone has Bluetooth version 5.0 with a range of 10 meters and it is compatible with both Android and iOS. This headphone has two modes and this is where the dual purpose comes in. One mode is the Bluetooth mode and the other is the aux mode, using which you can connect to any device that has a 3.5mm jack, and this headphone has 1 year warranty.
So today we're going to be showing you how to connect these headphones to your smartphone. So to pair the boAt Rockerz 450 on your headphones to your smartphone, the first thing you need to do is press and hold the middle control button of the device, which is the pause and play button, and that's when the device will turn on as well as go into pairing mode. Now you simply go into the Bluetooth menu of your smartphone and you should find the boAt Rockerz 450 on the available device list. Another way to know that it's in pairing mode is to look at the LED indicator and see if the light is glowing blue and red. So when it is glowing blue and red, that means it is in pairing mode. So right now we're going to click on the boAt Rockerz 450 and enter pairing. So as you can see, we have the pairing prompt right here. It says pair with the boAt Rockerz 450. We're going to hit pair. And that's about it. You have now connected to the boAt Rockerz 450 and you can see here we have 80% battery remaining and it is connected to SBC codec. So that's about it for how to pair.